Let's learn about using Google Sheets with DataLink. I'm an inventory manager, and we're constantly bringing in new parts, pieces, oils, and greases to link to work orders for our maintenance team. We use the DataLink import-export utility for importing new records and updating existing records with additional data for our implementation. I was pleasantly surprised to find that we can now use Google Sheets as an additional data source or destination option for importing or exporting data. In order to use this feature, I need to make sure that our Google configuration has been set up correctly. We access this through Management Tools, DataLink. I did find out that this feature is available to us because our database is being hosted by Impulse's application hosting service. Boy, does that service make life easier for our users and IT team. This is where I choose the Google account that I want to use with our DataLink. It's going to ask me for my email, password, and to allow permission. After I allow permission, we'll see here in DataLink that I can build the relationship between my data connection and my Google Sheet data source for this import. Within DataLink, I simply choose Google Sheets from this row of options and provide the URL to the Google Sheet I'll be importing from. I get this URL by accessing Sheets from Google, highlighting the URL, right-clicking, and copying. Next, I select whether this is a new or existing connection, click on the Set button, and my worksheets will display here. I'll confirm that my first row is a header, test, and save my connection. Now when I go back to the profile page, I'm able to complete the mapping needed for this import. Thankfully, I found a Let's Learn video that covers how to build a profile in DataLink. Making DataLink compatible with Google Sheets is a great feature. Impulse never ceases to amaze me. For questions about this topic or any other topic, feel free to email us at support@impulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.